Hello guys, I'm Salman the Boss, and today we're going to be unboxing something very special, the Galaxy S10 Plus. So, people have been talking. They say that this phone right here is amazing. Some even declaring that this is the best phone you can buy for your money. Even better than Tim Apple's iPhone. So what's so special about the phone? What's the reason for all the hype surrounding it? Well, this phone has a 93% screen to body ratio, which means less obtrusive bezels, a whopping 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, an in-display fingerprint sensor, a Snapdragon 855, and a world-class OLED display. To sum it up, this phone looks insane on paper, and people are saying that it is amazing. But maybe Samsung was paying people to give their phones phenomenal reviews. This isn't anything new. We've seen it happen before. In the past week, people have even been caught bribing their way into colleges. And if you can bribe your way into colleges, I'm assuming you can easily bribe reviewers on the internet. So let's get started and check if this phone right here is worth all the hype surrounding it. In the box, there's trash, like always, the Galaxy S10 Plus. Galaxy Buds, which came for free with a pre-order, a SIM card, and lastly, the invoice. I initially was planning on buying the white version, but the color shifting nature of it seemed too risky. Instead, I went with this blue version, which actually turned out quite nice. There's also the charging brick, a USB-C cable, headphones to use with a headphone jack, and a USB-C dongle to help transfer data. Surprisingly, the setup was a breeze. Just one wired connection was needed to transfer all the data from my past phone. After using this phone for a couple hours, I can assure you that it is phenomenal. I'm quite pleased with the design, and I think it is the best one that Samsung has ever created. The blue glass back looks absolutely beautiful, and the AMOLED display is better than it has ever been. To add on, it's surprisingly light for how big it is. Many of you guys might be worried about the hole punch display, but I can assure you that it does not get in the way of aesthetics. It only took me a couple seconds to figure out that it was there. This phone is also jam-packed with tech. It has a headphone jack, Boo Apple, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. This sensor seems straight out of science fiction. It works surprisingly fast, although not as fast as a regular sensor, and it is also much more convenient to use than a face unlock or iris scanner. To conclude, this phone is amazing and all the reviewers were correct. In a couple of weeks, after I get to know this phone better, I'll return with a more conclusive and in-depth review. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you liked it.